promised that if I agreed to that stupid skeleton, you wouldn't bring the mask. Oh my God. I'm done camping. I'm done camping with you guys. What's in your hand? Put my spatula up, Harrison. Don't catch it on fire. You're not gonna be able to blow it out with your mask on, you idiot. Stop. Oh my God, I'm done. Put the spatula away. Don't know what to do with yourself now that I hid your guitar, do ya? Nice crusted marshmallow. Harrison, put the spatula away. Oh my God.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no.
Stop it.